Hello, today we're going to read Splat the Cat and the Cat in the Moon, based on the creation of Rob Scotton.
Me.
Splat and Plink were walking home one night. Splat gazed up at the full moon. "Look, the cat in the moon," he said. Plink frowned. "That's ridiculous," he said. "There is no such thing as a cat in the moon." Splat pulled out his sketch pad. He did a quick drawing. "See his face?" Splat asked. "Those are craters," Plink said. "They're big dents on the moon's surface. Trust me, I know all about space." Plink was a big space fan. He had shirts with space jokes on them. His science poster always got an A+. Plink even had glow-in-the-dark stars on his bedroom ceiling. "I'm basically an expert on space. Those are definitely craters," Plink said. "Cat face," Splat yelled. "Craters," Plink shouted. Seymour had his own thoughts about the moon, but Splat and Plink were too busy arguing to notice Seymour. "Come on, I'll show you," said Plink. Plink led the way to the shed in his yard. "Whoa," whispered Splat. There was a huge telescope inside the shed. Splat had never seen one so enormous. Plink aimed the telescope at the moon. He looked through the eyepiece. "Look at that," Plink said. Here is what Plink saw. Splat looked through the telescope. Here is what Splat saw. "Now you see?" Plink asked. Splat nodded. "Yep, I see," Splat said. "The cat in the moon." Plink looked again. "I see craters." Splat nudged Plink out of the way. "No way," Splat said, staring through the telescope. Seymour pointed to his cheese, but no one saw him.
It's a girl.
"Look again," Plink said. "You look again," Splat said. Splat and Plink got so loud they didn't see Seymour slip away. Then Splat slipped on an old roller skate. Whoa! He flew into the air. He hit the telescope. The telescope flew off its stand. Splat landed on the floor. The telescope landed on Splat. Splat. "Splat! Say something! Are you okay?" asked Plink. "I caught your telescope," said Splat with a big smile.
Cats.
Together, Splat and Plink got the telescope back on its stand. Plink aimed it at the moon again. Plink looked. This is what he saw. Splat looked. Splat saw the same moon as Plink. And this is what they did not see. The end.